We're smelling smoke inside the car, so we know that there's an oil leak on these N20 engines. It's infamous that the gasket needs to be changed, especially if we're seeing moisture here. So we are gonna change the valve cover gasket. So this is where we are right now. But it's some cleaning up. This is our inside of this volcanic motor and the famous eccentric shaft. This is our valve cover. We'll be see what I'm going with this later. We'll install these coils and get closer to finishing up. You know what I mean? And some grain out of the little slot, whatever the grain out. I want to say it's seated proper. Now that we have done the valve cover gasket, we have also made preparations to do the oil O-ring on the inlet holes for the turbo. We already did it. Attach the O-ring on, so now we're just gonna put the pieces back together, and that will be that. So as you can see, we're out on the street, we're not in the shop, which means everything was a success. So initially we had planned to change the valve cover gasket, but we decided to work smart and not hard, so we just changed the valve cover, which came with the gasket. So right now everything mucho bueno, as I tell you, fully auto, isn't it? Comfort motors, where your comfort matters.